Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin niyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift na energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Okay, so let's see. Oh, Five of Cups and the Knight of Cups. Six of Wands and the Three of Swords. Oh my goodness. So, ito pa lang sa apat na cards nito, someone here is crying for you. Crying about this loss of connection, still broken-hearted, and gusto pa rin niya na i-offer sa'yo itong cup of love na to. And this person ay maayos naman ang estado niya sa buhay ngayon, pero something is still lacking, may nawawala pa rin, or kumbaga ikaw na lang yung parang kulang sa buhay niya ngayon. We also have here the Death card, Ten of Cups, King of Wands, and the Six of Swords. So, natatakot siya na baka naka-move on ka na, nakalimutan mo na siya. But still, this person, gustong-gusto ka pa rin niya. Knight of Wands bottom card natin. Tingnan natin sa signs and symbol cards natin. Deep and airplane. So, meron ditong long distance situation na naging dahilan siguro kung bakit kayo nagkaroon ng separation, no contact situation. Pero yung feelings niya is still napakalalim, no? Ang hirap anuhin itong feelings niya. Pilit niya na lang itong tinatago. Tingnan pa natin to with the broom and compass, sweets, and waterfall. So, talagang ang ano ng water dito, umiiyak talaga siya. And also the rain. Ayan, bottom card natin. Hindi niya alam kung bakit hindi pa rin nawawala itong mga signs na nakikita niya. Caught in the middle. So, nagkaroon ng third party sa ano nyo, kaya nagkaroon ng separation. Pero itong mga pagkakataon ay talagang feeling niya pinaglalaruan siya. Giving up. So, nag-give up na siya. Hate my pride and ego. I will fight for you. I have multiple opportunities. You excite me and letting you go, walking away. So, nag-walk away siya kasi inisip niya walang patutunguhan tong connection yung dalawa. Pero parang may plano siya dito kung surprise. Parang gusto niya ulit marinig yung boses mo, makita ka. Tingnan natin. It was my fault but I blamed you. So many things remind me of you. Finding out the truth crushed me and I hid who I'm really am from you. So, hindi siya nagpakatotoo sa mga sinabi niya sa'yo noon. I wonder if you're happy without me. We will be together again. I regret lying to you. And I know I was a distraction from your pain. Bottom card natin, I couldn't let you get close to me. Kaya bigla na lang siyang umiwas. Kasi hindi niya kaya mag-open up sa'yo. Tingnan natin, ano bang message ng Archangels? So we have here, Clairvoyance by Archangel Raziel. I'm helping your spiritual side to awaken fully so you can clearly see heavenly love. So may something din kasi talaga sa connection na to eh. Parang, kumbaga, for some of you, maaaring soulmates energy. So, by the way, gusto nyo bang i-trace mga soulmates ninyo using your birth chart. Ayan. So, gagawa natin yan ng content next time sa mga may gusto. Paano nyo matatrace yung soulmate ninyo using your birth chart. Ayan. So, mga initials natin dito. TXOD. Letter M, J, G, ang bottom card natin. So, tingnan natin sa blue card. Attraction. Okay, ayan o. Speaking of soulmate, sumari nga soulmate mo to. Kaya ganun na lang katindi yung connection yung dalawa. And Union of Hearts. Oh, okay. Maring soulmate, maring twin flames. Ayan. So, bahala na kayo kung ano ba ng label meron kayo nitong taong to. Basta may something sa inyong connection na hindi basta-basta mapuputol. So, tingnan natin. Sagittarius, athletic, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, full of charisma, very serious, shy at first, divine feminine, very loyal, and gorgeous. Another rainy season. Soon, July, past person. Confirmation na it's a long distance. Okay, another soulmate connection. Oh, ang lakas. So, comment down below kung gusto nyo malaman paano matatrace kung sino ba tong soulmate nyo using your birth chart. Okay, para gawa natin yan ng content. Beach and neighbor. And for some of you, it's a twin flame. Number 8, sword, another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and trustworthy. So, yan ang ating reading, my beautiful souls. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.